let us learn to calculate or determine the mass percentage of an element in a compound. Now let us learn this. Mass percentage of element, let us say x, तो उसको कैलकुलेट करेंगे. x एलिमेंट है, फॉर एलिमेंट x. सो मास ऑफ एलिमेंट x in the given mass of the compound let us divide this by total mass of compound. Total mass of compound multiply by 100. This is how you calculate percentage. Let us take an example. इसको समझते हैं कैसे. एक एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. We have 3.55 gram chlorine and we have 2.30 gram of sodium. राइट. कंपाउंड जो दे रखा है उसका मास दैट इज 5.85 ग्राम ऑफ, राइट, ऑफ कंपाउंड इज गिवन. सो परसेंटेज ऑफ मास एंड क्लोरीन, परसेंटेज ऑफ मास ऑफ, suppose we have to calculate for sodium. So वो कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? that will be like mass of sodium कितना है? that is 2.30. total mass है 5.85 into 100 into 100. So this is how you are going to calculate, and if we calculate that comes out to be 39.3%. Similarly if I calculate for some other, let's say for chlorine. So percentage mass of chlorine, let me calculate, and that will come out to be 3.55 divided by 5.85 into 100. Now you can calculate for this also. And that is 60.7%. Please note down. Similarly, we can learn how to calculate the percentage composition of a compound determined from its formula. उसके लिए जो हम यूज करेंगे, we will be using this formula. Percentage mass of an element that we will calculate by total mass of that particular element in one molecule of that, in one molecule of the compound of the compound divided by molecular mass of the compound into 100, इस तरीके से. ओके, इस तरह से हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे. तो हम कैलकुलेट करते हैं. Now you have to calculate, let us calculate for this percentage of oxygen in H2O. Mass percent of oxygen in H2O. Mass percent, calculate mass percent of oxygen in H2O. Calculate करें. So let us calculate this. See, total mass of oxygen will be this, क्योंकि एक ही there is one atom, and total mass of molecular mass of compound H2O is 18. So this into 100, that will come out to be 88.89% approximately. Let us do one more question here. We have to find mass percentage of oxygen in potassium dichromate. See, please calculate this. Chromium atomic mass is 52, we know. For potassium it is 39. Please solve. Let us calculate this. So this will come out to be 16 into 7 divided by इसका जो molecular mass होगा, and the molecular mass is 294 into 100, and that will come out to be approximately 38%. Approximately it will be 38%. So here oxygen is 38% by mass.